Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to create custom button in Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to create custom button in Shopify. Creating a custom button in Shopify using the Buy Button app involves a few steps. Here's a guide to help you through the process. Click on Install and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel. In the Buy Button app, look for an option to create a new button. Click on Create New Button. We can add a button to an entire collection or to any individual product. Choose Product. Now customize the button according to your preference. Customize the appearance of the button, color, size, font, etc. to match your store's theme. After customizing the button, save your changes. Now click on Next. The Buy Button app will provide an embed code or a snippet of HTML CSS. After copying this code, go to the Shopify admin panel. Click on Add Section and select Custom Liquid. Now paste the code here. Here you can see that the product and button have been successfully enabled. Ensure your button looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Test different designs and placements to see which performs best with your customers. Make sure your button is accessible to all users, including those using screen readers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.